Connecting Payoneer with your Shopify store is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, sign in to your Shopify store. Then, from the bottom left, go to Settings. On the next step, now choose Payment option. Here, you can see the section Supported Payment Method. So click on Add Payment Method. Go to the Search by Provider tab. Here, in the search bar, make a search for Payoneer Checkout. From the search result that appears, click on the Activate button. Here, set Connect for account status. This is the way to connect Payoneer with your Shopify store. Your payouts from Shopify should now be sent to your Payoneer account. You can access your earnings through your Payoneer account and manage your funds as needed. Connecting your Payoneer account with your Shopify store allows you to receive payments from your Shopify sales and manage your business finances more efficiently.